Very good morning, my dear students. So most welcome to our RV and classes with our mathematics subject. So in math classes, so most welcome it. Yes, students, yesterday already we have discussed that profit and loss. So profit and loss means so already basic concept. In the last classes we have discussed. So in exercise also already solving that. In today classes, so remaining exercise in yesterday already I told so some network problems so deleted some videos. So that today's in the same I will same chapter in same exercise. Hey, student, open the page number. So 124 exercise 9A. Students, can you see that exercise 9? Chapter 9, profit and profit and loss. Students, the chapter is profit and loss. So in second main, fill in the blanks. So in the second main is in the fill in the blanks already last classes we have solved. In today classes that is same, that is the second main fill in the blanks. Students, fill in the blanks, so that is D questions. What is that? D question, can you see in D? So already given two values, so CP is that not given, now to take the question mark. So SP means that is the selling price, so selling price is given to, so that is 1,590, so profit students in profit. So your profit is not given, so that is not question mark. So loss is given, so loss is 60. Yes, that is the loss is 60. So students, first you have to write the formulas. So just you have to recall to formulas, you know that is a loss, the profit is equal to, so that is SP minus CP. So that is what is the full form of SP means the selling price and cost price. So how to write for here. So I first you have to write in formulas in your notebook. First profit is equal to SP minus CP. So SP is that is a selling price, so CP is a cost price. So that sometimes is given to then in the next the loss is equal to SP is SP compared to SP and CP. So that is SP is greater than means so that is the profit is equal to SP minus CP. How to use the formulas? Okay, in next that is given in SP less than of in a CP. So that is the formula. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. That is a CP minus SP. The students, you have to write the formulas. So loss is means, so first you have to loss is equal to, what is the formula? Loss is equal to CP minus SP. CP minus SP. Yes. Students, can you see? First, we have to change the formulas for that in a second main. So already given that. The second main in a D question. Yes. So this is the formula. First you have to change this. This is the formula. So the loss is equal to CP minus SP. Students, but can you see? Here given that CP is question mark, but you have to find the CP. Afterwards, SP is that is already given to value 1,590. So what is the question mark is profit. So loss is equal to that is a 60. The loss is equal to what student? That is a 60. Yes, can you see for here? So you have to change the formulas because you calculate in CP means you come to here CP. So CP is equal to, so SP plus, that is, you have to take the formula. CP is equal to SP plus loss, because you have to calculate, that is CP, because you have to first you have to write the formulas, you have to change the formulas. So because students in the is equal to afterwards, already I told that is equal to afterwards is change the LHS is equal to RHS. So turn the sign means that the sign will be changed. That is a rule. So plus is how to minus, minus means plus. So can you see? So this is a plus, that is equal to afterwards minus. So but in is equal to this subtracted means that is a symbol of the minus, that is equal to afterwards the sign will be changed, that is convert plus to minus, minus to plus. Yes. So can next question. So what is the CP? CP means not given, how to write in as it do. So SP is students, 1590. So loss is what? 60. Loss is 60. So CP is equal to, so you have to add 15 here carry. So 561. Students, can you see CP is equal to 1650 rupees. Students, CP is equal to what? 1650 rupees is a, that is a, you have to find it, that is CP. Yes. So in second main, so already in the last classes, first already I will explain it. So you have to, students, you use the first you have to see the question, first you have to think. So which formulas you have to apply, first think, afterwards you have to solve it, because this profit is given. So SP is greater than of the CP means you have to use the profit is equal to CP minus SP. So next you have to see word problem. That is word problem. Can you see? Third, if TV, yes, TV was brought the brought for and the sold at a loss of 4,780 rupees. Find the selling price. Find the selling price. Students, see for this question what? A TV was brought. Yes, TV was brought. How much? Yes, that is the cost price of TV, that is 18,950 rupees. So I sold at a loss. Sold loss, that is what here given. So this is the 4,780 rupees. But you have to find it. Find the selling price. Students, what? Find the selling price. So first you have to write, students. First you have to write in given values. So given values means, so we are given that already. That is how much amount of for that, how much money of the TV. So that is the cost means, that is money means you have to consider that is a cost price. So that is you have to consider cost price. So cost price means CP is equal to 18,900. Students, CP is equal to 18,950 rupees. 18,950 rupees. So afterwards it's the loss, already given that loss value. So loss is equal to, the loss is equal to, what is the value? 4,780 rupees. Next is selling price, CP. You have to calculate the CP. So calculate the CP means you have to take that formulas. Students, which formula should you use that? Already given that CP loss SP. So first you have to take in loss formulas. The loss is equal to CP minus SP. Yes, the loss is equal to CP minus SP. You have to write the first formulas. loss is equal to CP minus SP. So loss, what is the value for loss? So loss means already given that. You have to first, students, first you have to change the formulas because you have to calculate, means you have to find that is SP. So first you have to write the SP. SP is equal to CP plus loss. Already I told that this is equal to upward, that is sign will be changed, that is you have to write the plus. Yes, so SP is equal to CP, you know already, that is 18,950 rupees. So loss is what? That is 4,780 rupees. So SP is equal to, you have to do calculate. Yes, students, you have to do in both additions. 18,950, 4,780. So what is the plus? We have 0. So this is 13, on there is 70. So that is 8, 12, 13. 12. So that is what? So what is the total value? 23,730 rupees. Students, what is the value for totals? That is 23. Sorry students, your sign will be changed here. So not write here minus, because I written plus, not here minus. You have to do subtract, because that is equal to afterward sign will be changed, means here come to minus. So 15 minus 8, so that is 70. Here 8, here 1, so 4, 1. Yes, what is the value? 14,750. So yes, that is a loss. Afterwards you come to here, this is a minus. Yes friends, so SP is equal to CP minus loss, because the loss is equal to afterwards you come to in that sign will be changed, that is a rule already. I will show that. Yes, because I written plus not, that is a minus. Okay, so next question. So in 5, 6, so 5, 4, that is very easy. So can you see in a 6? So 6 is given to some different. Students, again 2 formulas you have to recall the formulas. The profit, the percentage of profit percentage. The profit percentage is equal to the profit by CP into 100. So next, that is a loss. The loss percentage is equal to the loss by CP, means in cost price. So this formula we have to apply. Next question. So what is the next question? That Abram brought a music system. That is Abram brought a music system. That is the 63. What is the cost for that music systems? Means that is a 6,375 rupees, and spent. How much is spent for that money? So 75 rupees, because to one place to another you have to transfer the things, means so take two, that is how much amount, that is 75 rupees. Students, can you see that Abram brought a music system, that is a 6,375 rupees. So that is how much money is spent for that, 75 rupees is that is spent. Okay, so on its transferation, so he sold it 6,400. Yes, so yes, students, in can you see in the sixth question? Abram brought a music system, the for 6,000 6,375 rupees and spend that 75 rupees 0 0 yes on its, that is a transferration of the money. Yes, students, that is a transferration. How much, students? What is the original cost price of the music systems means? That is original means that is the main rate, that is 6,375 rupees. But things is transferations. How much is the spent for money? 75 rupees, because it is total cost price, students. Yes, you have to consider that both the cost price. Yes. So next. Next question. Okay, can you see next sentence? He sold, yes, that how much that it for 6,400. Just find is profit or loss. Profit or loss. You have to calculate the percentage. You have to calculate it. This is a loss or profit. Students, first you see the question. So what is the first sentence? First you have to write the given value. So what Abraham brought the music systems, yes, this is cost price. So you have to consider that is the cost price means that is you have to consider it, that is the CP. How much? 6,375 rupees. Afterwards, can you see, students? Transpiration is 75 rupees. Yes, that is how much transpiration is taken to money. So transpiration 75 rupees. This is the original total cost price. This is the total cost price you have to consider, because you have to do count addition. So it's a 10, again 1 carries 14 and 15, here the 4 and 6. Yes, what is the total cost price? So that is a total cost price is 6,450 rupees. Yes. So next. So what is the next is what can you see, students? Next you have to value right that. Spend, okay, the transportation money, so the 75 rupees already we have to do addition. So what is the total cost price already written? So that what he sold, for that, yes, sold means SP. What is the value of SP? So SP means that is 6,400 rupees. So you have to calculate the profit or loss. Okay, profit or loss, that is how much percentage. Yes, you first you have to find it in profit. Afterwards, you have to calculate the percentage. Yes, students. So first you have to write. Students, you can think here. SP means in a cost price. Cost price is means in a selling price. You compare it. Cost price is more. So cost price is more means definitely that is a loss. So taken any one items means best examples. I will so one person is purchased for that one ton, or that is what you have to take in better in rice or that dal, and that any person you have to take for example is purchased for that is 1 ton. What is the total cost? 50,000. So he sold. So that is 45,000. Students, just you have to compare. What is the cost price? Cost price is a 50,000, but you consider for the selling price that is a 45,000. Just you compare that 5,000 is less. because is a you have to calculate the percentage of the percentage of the loss. So first you have to write the formulas. The profit is equal to, so comparing the CP and SP. So this is a loss means you have to write the formulas. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. That is the value CP minus SP. What is the CP? So that is a 6,550 minus CP is the 6,400. So loss is, what is the loss? So 50,000, because you have to know 6,450 or just 6,400. So loss is 50 rupees. Loss is 50 rupees means, yes, you have to take the formulas, loss percentage. So that is already given to value. This is a particular, that is 50 rupees is loss. But you have to calculate in percentage. How much percentage is the loss means? So students, first you have to write for here. Loss is equal. Loss percentage is equal to the loss by CP into 100. Yes, this is the formula usage. You fill up the values. So that is loss means you already know. That is a loss is 50 rupees is loss. So CP is, that is what student? CP is 6,450 rupees into 100. You do cancel. So this 0 cancel. Again this 0 cancel. So 5 ones are 5, 0. So here 5 ones are 5. So come to here 1. 5 5 2s are 10. Here come to 4. So 5 9s are 45. So next. So students, can you see 10 into 10? That is 100. 10 into 10, 100 by 120. And you do divide, because just you have to think students. So divisor is lesser means, so how to you write must and should be a 0 means you have to take the 0 or point, you write it better 0 point. So how to take, come to here 0. So you have to do calculate 63 129 sevens are, so this is 14 7 to the 14, 14 plus this is 20, so here 2 7 and the 7 9. Yes students, so how to take sevens are, so what is that? 903. 903. How to do subtract? What is the value for here? So here 7, here 9, so here 0. Here come to 97. So 97 means again you have to take the 0, so you have to write in return value same. So 8 are 72. So 16 plus 7, that is 13. One carry, so return 9. Yes, that is 92. 8 are. So here 8. So here come to 1. Students, what is this? So this is the 0.78 percentage of the less. How much percentage of the less for that in this is music systems means, that is you have to consider. So that is it. 0.78 percentage is the less of the money. Yes, you can, that is you have use is taken the music system. Just you have to tell to money means that is 50 rupees. So that is you have to tell the percentage, that is 0.78 percentage is of the less. Okay, so now next question, can you see? Students, in next questions is very easy for that. So now I will show to in 10 question. Yes. Again, some same method is very easy. So 10 is different. So now I will show to 10 question. Mira got 20 refills. Mihir brought 20 refills and sold them at 4. Sold them at 4 each. Students, that is each if ad cost is 50 rupees for the refills, what is profit or loss percentage? Students, can you see this question? We have brought here how many is the 20 refills means. So now to write 4 rupees. Students, how much the total? The total refills means that is a 20. But in a sold them 4 rupees in each. Each 4 rupees means 1 refills. The cost price is that is 4 rupees. So afterwards what? Each if it is had a cost that is a 50. For the refills, what is profit or loss? First you have to write the students. So that is CP is equal to, you have to write it, CP, that is how many refills? The 20, but each means that is a 4 rupees. So what the total CP is going to consider, that is 80 rupees. Yes, that is 80 rupees you have to consider it. So next means to consider the refills means students in cost price. What is the given to cost price? So CP means you have to consider that is a 50 rupees. So you have to compare students CP and SP. Means in this SP and CP which is more, because CP is more. So CP is more means which formula have to take it? That is a profit. Yes, that is the how to take the profit. So first we have to write the solution. The profit is equal to CP minus SP minus CP. That is the profit formulas. So I have to do calculate. What is the value for SP? That is 80 rupees. The CP means that is 50 rupees. So I have to do subtracted. That is the remaining to 30 rupees. This is a profit. How much rupees is profit? So that is the 30 rupees is profit. So 30 rupees is profit means. So question afterwards, can you see profit or loss percentage? Yes, you have to write the percentage of loss. You have to calculate it in loss, percentage of loss. So is equal to profit by CP into 100. So what is the value of the profit? So 30 rupees. So CP already know that is 80 rupees into 100. This 0 cancel, again 0 cancel. Yes. So afterwards, first you have to do in calculate the 30 into 10 by 8. So students have to take into table 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So next 2 2s are 2 1s are, here come to 2 5s are. So next is what? Again 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 1 is remaining, 2 5s are 10. So what is the value? 50 into 2.5. You have to do calculate 15 into 2.5. 5 is 25. 2 is come to here. 5 is 5. Again 7. So plus 2 5 is 10. 1 come. 2 ones are 2. That 2. So that is 3. Students, 3, 7. What is the value? 3, 7, 5. Students, can you observe one point of one number after this point means you have to write for here. So what is the percentage means? So 37.5%. 30 students, what that 37.5% profit. Yes, how much percentage is profit means? So that is 37.5% is a profit for that. Yes. Students, I take to see CP. Yes, 1.6. Can you see profit is equal to CP means you have to take here 50 rupees. Sorry that. Wait. I return that SP value not in CP. This 0 cancel. This 5 1s are 5 2s are. So that 3 into 10, that is the 60%. Yes. Students, I return CP value, not sorry that here SP value. So I just confuse that. I return here CP value, but here you have to must and should you have to write the CP value. Students, 1 second. Again, I repeat. I explain to now. The mirrors brought in 20 rupees. Just I sold. So how many rupees, students? They 20 rupees. But each refill is 4. She's brought how much? That is 20 rupees. But each refill is 4 rupees. Yes. What is the cost? So already I written that SP means that is a 20 rupees. So each refill is 4 rupees. You have to do multiplication. 24 is 80 rupees. Yes. Afterwards, can you see each if it had cost 50 rupees. Cost means CP is CP have to consider that is the value is 50 rupees. So students, you have to compare to both CP and SP. So SP is a more because you have to use the formulas. That is a SP is a more means that is a profit. CP is a more means that is a loss because SP is a more means you have to write the formulas. Profit is equal to CP minus SP minus CP. CP value is 80 rupees. SP value is 80 rupees. CP value is that is 50 rupees. So how to do subtract the profit is 30 rupees. So okay, this is completed. Afterwards, you have to take an again formula. Percentage profit, percentage of profit is equal to profit by CP means in cost price into 100. This formula is very important. Yes, you have to fill up the values. Profit is 30 rupees. So CP, but CP is 50 rupees. I return 50 rupees into 100. You have to do the calculate. How to do cancel? So it is 0 cancel this here remaining 5 1s are 5 5 2s are 10. So 30 into 2 that is the 60 rupees. So that is the 60 rupees is the profit for that. So in the same methods in the remaining questions we solve to your own. So first the 4 formulas is very important. These 4 formulas first you have to buy it and afterwards especially word problems you read and afterwards you think and which formulas are used. Think how to solve it in same methods. So first you have to buy the 4 formulas is very important in these chapters. Students, thank you. So next classes I will take you in the new chapter.